You're surprisingly good at countdown. Take a look at your
When you
opponent.
say surprisingly, what do you mean to me?
I was surprised at how good you were.
Why were you surprised how good I was?
Because of how you talk.
As you were.
Do you think you're going to win against these two?
The only chance we're going to lose... I'm quite good at the letters, I'm all right, but numbers is my... I'm much better on the words than I am on the numbers. I'll prove it to you, Jimmy. Think of a number between 1 and 10. Don't tell me. Think of it.
OK.
OK. And reveal it now.
7.
See? Not very good with numbers. But words and letters. OK, let's make this interesting. Think of a number between 1 and 1,000. Any number you like.
Yeah.
Don't want to change your mind?
He's in my head.
OK. Johnny, in my underpants. Have a little root around in there.
I'll do it. I'll do it.
It's in the pants.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the pants.
Yeah.
I thought it was in your anus.
Oh. We found it. Is that a
Why would you smell that, Johnny? What?
I've been told I smell better from behind than I do from the front. So that bit in between...
You do what? Sorry, you sweat more...
I'm wondering
what
if
do
I
you do,
can
sorry?
track the journey.
He smells better from behind than he does from the front.
No, lovers have told me.
Lovers have told me...
Date night, if I come in the room backwards, it helps to maintain the mood.
Do you want tea? Oh. Biscuits! I forgot the biscuits. Bring the biscuits in. Sorry, I forgot the biscuits. All right, lovely. Oh. Well, you've done those too big.
He's got a nice body, hasn't he?
What's going on?
Very nice.
Johnny, I've got your biscuit.
Oh, cheers, mate.
And then
Joe got your custard cream.
lovely stuff. Cheers, pal.
OK. Yeah. And I've got you got a lovely bourbon.
Thanks, Jimmy.
No problem at all.
Oh, that's massive.
It's really nice.
This is the life. Puzzles and massive biscuits. Who said you need to do well at school?
Oh, you disgusting.
It's so nice.
It's brilliant. It's like you shrunk.
It does look as if you're tiny.
This is the second best party ring I've ever had.
Rod, are you off the Jammy Dodgers? I thought you'd be a Jammy Dodger man.
No, I quite like... But it's... I mean, I normally...
Get him a bucket.
No, do what birds do.
What do birds do?
You feed it to me, I'll chew it up and spit it back in your...
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
I'm definitely going to throw up.
OK, Roisin, what have you got?
Period.
And the BAFTA moment goes to the tea spurting from Johnny Vegas.